AI SDR integration, boosting sales efficiency and results. AnyBiz. Speeding up lead generation is crucial for staying competitive. AI SDRs automate and enhance this process with greater efficiency and scalability, helping businesses meet market demands and outperform traditional methods. The following sections will compare AI SDRs to human SDRs and highlight their benefits. An AI SDR automates and enhances sales tasks using AI, improving efficiency in lead generation, qualification, outreach, and scheduling. It integrates with CRM systems and provides valuable insights. AI SDRs offer 24/7 availability, scalability, and speed, with consistent performance and lower costs. However, they lack human touch, may struggle with complex situations, and depend on data quality, requiring ongoing maintenance and high initial setup costs. AI SDRs are efficient but don't replace human SDRs. Combining AI for routine tasks with humans for relationship building and complex issues is the most effective approach. 5 reasons to implement AI SDRs. 1. Boost efficiency. Automates lead handling 24/7, freeing up human resources. 2. Improve lead quality. Uses data to better score and qualify leads. 3. Cut costs. Reduces long-term expenses and scales with growth. 4. Provide insights. Offers real-time data for better sales strategies. 5. Enhance experience. Delivers instant, personalized responses. To choose the best AI SDR, assess its scalability, customization, integration with your systems, and support. Define your needs, test options through demos, and ensure it fits with your CRM and other tools. AI is revolutionizing sales development with efficient, scalable solutions. Here's a look at the top 5 AI SDR tools transforming the industry. 1. AnyBiz.io leads in AI SDR technology with full automation of sales tasks, including 24/7 AI agents, multi-channel engagement, and advanced analytics. It offers complete SDR replacement, scalability, and cost savings. Try it with a 7-day free trial to transform your lead generation. 2. Artisan uses AI to enhance sales development with personalized content, automated prospect research, multi-channel outreach, and A/B testing. It integrates with major CRMs and offers advanced NLP, machine learning, and compliance management. 3. AI SDR offers AI-driven lead scoring, automated email management, intelligent scheduling, social media monitoring, and voice AI for cold calling. It features a hybrid AI-human model, predictive analytics, and custom training, integrating smoothly with existing sales tech. 4. 11x utilizes AI to enhance sales with features like automated lead qualification, dynamic content, and real-time analytics. Its 11x amplifier boosts outreach effectiveness and adapts strategies for better results. 5. Luna's AI SDR solution excels in genuine relationship building with natural language conversations and personalized outreach. Its empathy engine tailors interactions to individual prospects, enhancing long-term connections. AI-powered SDRs like AnyBiz, Artisan, AISDR, 11x, and Luna are revolutionizing B2B sales. They streamline lead generation and prospect management, supporting human teams by handling repetitive tasks and enhancing efficiency. Thanks for joining us. Explore AnyBiz.io and make sure to like and subscribe for the latest updates and tips on optimizing your email outreach.